Text-to-image workspace inside of PicoBerry. This is where it really begins. This space acts as your creative launchpad, letting you turn simple written prompts into fast, high-quality visual ideas. Whether you're exploring props, characters, environments, or stylized game assets, this is the place where you shape the early direction of your project. You type out what you want, hit generate, and PicoBerry gives you multiple variations that help you experiment with style, mood, and design before you move deeper into the 3D workflow. After your images generate, PicoBerry organizes everything into a clean, structured grid. Each row represents a single prompt, and the prompt text appears directly to the right of that row. This makes it incredibly easy to see which idea produced which results. Every row contains 4 variations of the same prompt, giving you quick side-by-side comparisons of different interpretations. It's a simple layout, but it's extremely helpful when you're iterating quickly or trying to decide which direction feels strongest. So here's a quick tip. While you're working in this workspace, try changing just one detail between prompts. Maybe it's lighting. Maybe it's the material or the art style. Keeping your adjustments small helps you build a clear visual progression, and it makes it much easier to spot the exact look or idea you want to carry forward.